Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going on a journey of self-love, a journey that reaches to the moon and back, because loving yourself isn't just a small step, it's a giant leap towards living your best life. Let's explore what it really means to love yourself deeply and unconditionally. What does it mean to love yourself to the moon and back? It's more than just a catchy phrase. It means embracing who you are, flaws and all, and recognizing your inherent worth. Self-love is the foundation of a healthy relationship with yourself and others. Without it, you may find yourself seeking validation and love from external sources, rather than finding it within. Self-love. Embrace your worth. Think about the moon for a moment, distant, mysterious, yet constantly illuminating the night sky. Just like the moon, your self-love might seem far away, but it has the power to light up your life once you connect with it. Self-love starts with self-acceptance. It's about looking in the mirror and acknowledging who you truly are, without judgment. This means accepting your strengths, your quirks, and even your perceived weaknesses. They all make you unique. Instead of criticizing yourself for not being perfect, appreciate the journey you've been on. Remember, the moon isn't perfect either. It has craters and scars, but it's still beautiful, and so are you. Accept yourself, flaws and all. Acceptance is the first step toward true self-love. When you accept yourself fully, you create space for growth and transformation. You allow yourself to be who you are, without the pressure of conforming to others' expectations. Once you've embraced self-acceptance, the next step is to change the way you talk to yourself. Your inner dialogue has a huge impact on your self-esteem. Positive self-talk means replacing those negative, critical thoughts with words of encouragement and love. Think of your mind as the moon, reflecting the light of the sun, your self-love. When you fill your mind with positive thoughts, that light shines brightly, guiding your path. Start by telling yourself, I am enough, I am worthy, I am loved. These simple affirmations can transform your mindset over time. Practice positive self-talk daily. Remember, you are the most important person in your life. The way you speak to yourself should reflect that importance. To truly love yourself to the moon and back, you need to set healthy boundaries and prioritize self-care. This means knowing when to say no to things that drain your energy, and yes to activities that nourish your soul. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Just like the moon needs time to wax and wane, you need time to recharge and restore. This might mean taking a break from work, spending time in nature, or simply doing something that makes you happy. Set boundaries, prioritize self-care. When you prioritize self-care, you're telling yourself that you matter. You're giving yourself the love and attention you deserve. Another key to loving yourself deeply is surrounding yourself with positivity, positive people, environments, and experiences. The people you spend time with should uplift and support you, not drain your energy or make you feel small. Like the stars surrounding the moon, let the people in your life be bright, supportive, and encouraging. Distance yourself from negativity and toxic influences. You deserve to be surrounded by love and positivity. Surround yourself with positive people and experiences. Remember, your environment plays a huge role in how you feel about yourself. Choose positivity and love. Loving yourself also means celebrating your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Every step you take toward your goals, every challenge you overcome, is worth celebrating. Think of your achievements as the phases of the moon, each one a part of your journey. Take time to reflect on your progress, and be proud of how far you've come. Celebrate your achievements, big and small. You are constantly growing, evolving, and achieving. Give yourself the credit you deserve. Remember, self-love is a journey, not a destination. It's something you cultivate every day, with every thought, action, and choice you make. Just like the moon, self-love has phases. It grows and changes, but it always shines. Love yourself to the moon and back, and then some. You are worthy of all the love and kindness the world has to offer, starting with your own. Self-love is a journey. Embrace it. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-love. Remember, you are deserving of love, kindness, and happiness. Treat yourself with the same love and respect you would give to someone you care about deeply. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Take care, and love yourself to the moon and back.